it's hard to remove. Seems like the jack is underneath the side. So I can say I've actually found it where this thing is actually gonna be sitting. Yeah, sitting properly, which is fine. You know what, this other guy right was saying like he's gonna charge me at least like 240 to actually put another wheel on, and if I'm gonna get his help to actually put the spare wheel, it was gonna be, he said, 120 pounds. I said, what the heck? I think it's just sitting in that position. I think so. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Jeez. Yeah. This one is on top now. Perfect. I hope this thing goes up, because if it doesn't, I'm buggered. Because man, I cannot be paying that much for just replacing a thing. Okay. There's some reason why my father will be putting this underneath. I don't know. In case if anything wrong happens. Okay. Not more than 80 kilometers per hour. Nah, bruh. In this situation, I won't be doing anything. Okay. Put this pressure to this tire, because if it doesn't have any pressure, I thought of actually filling it up. Okay. Hope there's good pressure, enough pressure there, now it doesn't explode. So yeah, finally this is done. Gonna run with this pair for some time, unless I get someone to fix this, or to actually buy another one, then install it on my own, because at least I managed. So that means I'll manage to put it back if I get another tire. Just gonna put it in here. So inflate to 60 psi. What the heck? No way.